So I developed the poo handling system and I got a lot of feedback. So I have come up with two options here. So please make sure to watch further into the video so you can see the second option. Introducing the upgraded poo handling system with storage drawer. This allows you a taller bucket. It's narrower but taller. And I think you'll find it's going to collect poo even better. And I converted the previous poo drawer into a storage drawer. So then we got a nice poo drawer that's really loud to open on that model. And yeah, it fits your A1 Mini perfectly. It is modular. So you're going to print this and then you're going to print this. This is all well and dandy, but what if I have this already? I don't want to throw this away. You don't have to. I've developed this. So the modular add-on here attaches to your current base. So you don't have to reprint the base. You can use your current base. If you've already spent the plastic on this, you can just add this on. Now, if you want a flat drawer, if you go look at the model on Maker World, there is a link to this model, and this drawer fits perfectly in this one if you want a flat drawer. So the modular add-on or the complete new assembly, whatever works for you. The poo handling system plus storage is available on MakerWorld.com and it's under my account, tooling_Lee. You can find the add-on extension at MakerWorld.com as well. And of course, it's under my account, tooling_Lee. And don't forget to boost me if you like the model.